Good morning, PE2 students. Today is Wednesday and it's the 24th of June 2020. How are you today? Yes, how are you? You're doing well? Doing good? Yes, I hope this coronavirus will go away soon because I miss you so much and um, I would like to see you in the classroom setup again, right? Been a long time already. It's been 3 months and I think 3 months and a half. Okay, so by the way, I would like to say thank you so much for all your efforts and for your um, hard work, for being so responsible. Okay, so I'm gonna give you 2 thumbs up. Yay! Okay, so today we are going to check our progress. So it means just to see how far you learn our lesson and to see how you remember the things that we discussed. So today we are going to, our learning objective is that we are going to check I can, sorry, so today is, I'm going to use my rule. Today is Wednesday and it's the 24th of June 2020. So our learning objective is I can check my progress, like how much you remember. So you can open your book, learner's book, to page 58. So there are two progress, but today teacher will only focus on page 58. Okay. So, yesterday I showed you about pictures of um, circuits and see what to do. Will it work or will it not work? So today we are going to have a review to see if you still remember this. Okay. So again, here are the pictures. There are only 4 pictures: picture A, B, C, and D. So for this, for letter A, what do the circuits do? So this circuit or the circuit for picture A will not work, right? For circuit B, the picture for circuit B, the circuit will not work also because here there are 2 wires all connected to the positive side of the battery. Here there's only 1 wire and it's only connected to the positive side. Remember, a circuit, it goes in a loop, it goes in a circle in order for it to work. So here, but here you cannot make a circle. Same here, there's only 1 way, right? So circuit B will not work. And how about circuit C? Picture letter C. So there are 2 wires and this wire is connected to the glass and then this one will not work too. So the circuit C, picture C, or this circuit will not work. For letter D, this part of the bulb is made of metal. And we know that metal is a good conductor of electricity. So this one, so here there's a loop, there's a circle. So the electricity goes out in the negative side of the battery and then goes here, and the light will light up and then goes here and then round and round and round. So much with that. So here is the sentence. So again, let's review what do the circuits do. The one that I just showed you for letter A, picture A. The circuit teacher forgot to write this the here, okay? So the circuit will not work for letter A, right? Because there's only 1 wire connected to the, what's this? The wire, the bulb and the battery, so it will not work. For picture B, the circuit will not work again because there were 2 wires and then it's all connected to the positive side, remember? And for letter C, the circuit will not work because the positive side, the positive wire was connected to the bulb, right? And the bulb is made of glass, right? And for letter D, the circuit will work. So out of 4 pictures, only one circuit that will work, and it's letter D. Very good. Okay, so as I have promised, um, today we're going to discuss and see how much you remember about our topic. So this is about, this is your learner's book, and it's you can see this picture on page 58. So here, for question number 1, this have 2 names. What are they? Do you remember what are the 2 names of this? Yes. How about this one? So these, what are these called? Called. What are the names of this picture? So we have picture A, B, C, and D. So what's this one? This is, I don't remember. How about this one? It helps the objects or things to spin or move. How about this? It makes sound, right? It makes sound. Remember, we should always connect the red part of this to the positive side, so it will make a sound, right? And this one, this is something that can turn on and turn off the circuit, right? It can break or help the circuit work. So this sign is, what sign is this? There are 2 types of this, right? So if it's down, it's on. If it's up, it's off, right? So let's check. So I have here the words that I have written. So let's practice saying first. So we have battery. Very good. Say battery. Good job. Cannot see my face. So battery. And then the other one is cell, right? Cell. Very good. Bulb. Excellent. Motor. Very good. Buzzer. Very good. Switch. Excellent. So as you have noticed, these are the answer of those picture, right? So we have, what are the 2 names of this picture? So this picture, you can call them battery or cell. Very good. Battery or cell. And then our picture A is, we call it what? We call it a bulb, motor, buzzer, switch. This is a bulb. Very good. How about B? B is motor, right? And letter C, to make sound, make things sound. Buzzer. Very good. And how about this? This is a switch. A switch can be off or it can be on. So this one, this sign is, the switch is off, right? Because there's a gap. And if there's a gap, the circuit will not work. All right. Thank you so much for your time today, and thank you for studying with me. I hope to see you next time. Goodbye. And here's your star.